Alright, so here we have the first problem. This is the last mock that you gave. It is a Maths D paper 1, although it says paper 2 because the questions are of IGCSE format. So this should be paper 1 of your syllabus. Okay, so the first question of the mock that you give. Hello, Josa. Hello, Josa.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so I'm taking a Maths D class, and today we'll solve the last mock that you gave. So here's the first question. And the first question says lines A, B, C, D, and E intersect as shown. Lines A and B are parallel. Work out the size of angle X. You have to find this value of X. How can I find this value of X? If you want to find the value of X, you need this vertically opposite angle. Once you know the value of the vertically opposite angle, you can find X. Now, to find the vertically opposite angle, I need these two small angles. One of them should be equal to 49, and the other angle that you have here should be equal to 52 degree. Now, why is this angle 52 degree and why is that angle 49 degree? We'll try to explain these. We have an angle here 52 degree. The vertically opposite angle here should also be equal to 52 degree. I hope you have no confusion with this. If this angle is 52 degree, if we have this angle as 52 degree, then what can we do? Can we say this angle is equal to 52 degree? Nope, because that's not alternate angle. This angle is 52. I have the value of this angle that should be equal to 70 degree. And then I can find this one. Let's say I name this angle Y. I can write here Y plus 52 plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Y should be equal to 180 minus 52 minus 70. That's me and Joseph. Can you follow me up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have a small angle X here, and this angle should be 49 degrees. Can you help me with the value of Y, students? 180 minus 52 minus 70. Yeah, can you help me with the value of Y? Quick, sir, quick.
Sir, it's 58.
58 degree. The value of Y is 58. Joseph, can you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we are supposed to find the value of X. We can write X plus 58 plus 49 should be equal to 180 degree. So X should be equal to 180 minus 58 minus 49. So what is the value of X?
73.
73 degree. That's how we do the first problem. Let's go to the next one. The next question says we have a ball that contains 5000 centimeter cube of air. You pump some more air into the ball at a rate of 160 centimeter cube per second. The ball is full of air when it becomes a sphere with radius 15 centimeter. If the radius is 15 centimeter, then the ball is full of air. Does it take less than 1 minute to fill the ball? You must show your working. What you have to do here is, if the radius is 15 centimeter cube, you have to find the volume at that for that radius. And a volume of a ball is always a spherical shape, and the volume of the ball is given by 4 by 3 pi r cubed. The value of the radius is 15. So we do here 15 cubed. Can you give me the answer now? I don't have a calculator with me. So can you give me the answer? 4 by 3, 3.14 multiplied by 15 cubed. Quick.
Sir, it's 4,500 pi.
4,500 pi. All right, that will do. 4,500 pi. So let's replace this 3.14 with the pi. So we have the volume 4,500 pi. Now, sir. The question says that there is already 5,000 centimeter cube of air, and you are pumping in such a rate so that in 1 second you have 160 centimeter cube. So what do? And it says, does it take less than 1 minute to fill the ball? Let's see how much air can we push into the ball in 1 minute. The question says you have 160 centimeter cube per second. That means in 1 second. Therefore, in 60 seconds, the volume should be 160 times 60. Can you give me the answer now? 160 times 60.
9,600.
So we have 9,600 centimeter cube of air. So in 1 minute, we can push in 9,600 centimeter cube. So after 1 minute, the total volume of the ball should be equal to 9,600 plus, remember there was 5,000 centimeter cube of air originally. So 9,600 plus 5,000, what do we get, sir? Do we get a 14,600?
Yes.
And 4,500 pi, can you give me the value? Use the value of pi as 3.14.
It's 14,137.16.
Sorry, 14?
137.16.
Okay, all right. So if the volume of the ball is 14,137, then the ball is full. And we can see from here that in 1 minute, the volume of the ball will be 14,600 centimeter cube. So we can say the ball is filled less than 1 minute, in less than 1 minute, filled in less than 1 minute. Joseph, can you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let's go to the next question. I'm recording this video. Am I recording this video? I am. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain this question again, please?
Okay, I can do that. So you have a ball here. There is originally 5,000 centimeter cube of air, and you are pumping in air into it at a rate of 160 centimeter cube per second. So in 1 minute, what will be the final volume of the ball? In 1 second, so check this, in 1 second, the amount of air that you push in is 160. In 60 seconds, it should be 160 times 60, and that is equal to 9,600 centimeter cube. Are we good up to this, Tasmia?
Yes.
So what is the total volume of the ball after 1 minute? 9,600 plus initially there was 5,000 centimeter cube. So we have a total of 14,600 centimeter cube. Are we good up with this now?
Yes.
Achha. And the question says, if the radius is 15 centimeter cube, the ball is filled. If the radius is 15 centimeter, at that time the volume is 14,137. So we understand that if the volume is 14,137, the ball is totally inflated. The ball is completely inflated. And we can also see from another calculation that in 1 minute, the volume of ball can be 14,600, which is well over the given volume. And that's why we can fill it in less than 1 minute. Are you good now?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let's go to the next one. A, B, C, and D are 3 points on a circle. The radii from A, B, and C are shown. AC is the diameter of the circle. What am I supposed to do here? Is AC the diameter of the circle? So we have to find if AC is the diameter, sir, then this half should be equal to 180 degree. Oh no. Nope. If AC is the diameter, then what are we supposed to prove? We are supposed to show if AC is AC a diameter of the circle. How can we show it, sir?
Sir, what are those values for?
These are some angle values of some given angle. Okay, sir, follow me. Most students will do this mistake, I think. That is, you just show that 5x plus 40 is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 20. Most students may do this mistake. They must consider this angle is equal to this angle, maybe find the value of x. This doesn't really help you if you do this. If you want to show that AC is the diameter, students, you have to show some property of the diameter of a circle. Meaning, if AC is the diameter, the angle that is being created here should be equal to 90 degree. Only then you can prove that AC is the diameter. Am I saying it right? Josa, do you understand what I'm trying to say here?
I didn't know this theorem.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is this. If AC is the diameter, then an angle subtended from the diameter in the circumference should be equal to 90 degree. This angle here should be equal to 90 degree. If I can show that, only then AC is the diameter. Acha, there are some other ways. There are radii from A, B, and C are shown. Okay, there are some other ways. That is, if I can show, if I can show these two base angles are equal, then also we can prove that AC is the diameter. If AC is the diameter, therefore this is the center, and let's say the center is equal to O. So we can say OA and OB are radius of the circle. Therefore, these two base angles should be equal. Can you follow me now, Tasmia?
I didn't understand. Can you say it again?
Yeah, sure. I can do that. What I'm trying to say is this, sir. Sure. If AC is the diameter and O is the center, therefore OA and OB, these two must be equal because they are radius. And
yes,
if I draw a line
they
here,
form an isosceles triangle.
they form an isosceles triangle. And the two base angles and the two angles in the base should be equal. If the two angles are not equal, then what happens, sir? If the two angles are not equal, then these two are not radius. If these two are not radius, then AC is not the diameter. Josa, do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we have to show, we can show this.
Sir, how do we prove that they are radiuses?
If I can show that these two angles are equal, if I show that these two angles are equal, then I can say that these are radius, and I can also conclude that it are shape. Can you follow me, sir?
Yes.
Is there any easier idea? Josa Tasmia. Is there any easier idea, sir?
How do we find those two?
How do we find what?
How do we find those two angles?
Yeah, that's the question. Josa, do you have any easier idea?
No, sir.
Think about it for a minute and then I'll start doing this. Okay, I'll go into this problem later on. It's taking a long time. We'll go into this question number 3 a little later. Okay, let's go to question number 4. Tasmi and Joseph, can you follow me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to question number 4.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
do you know the answer to that question, like the mark scheme?
Yeah, I know. Yes.
You can check there if you want to.
Yeah, I'll do it, but later on. Question number 4. We have a ship that sails from P to Q and then from Q to R. Q is 12 miles from P on a bearing of 80 degree. R is 28 miles. All the information is given in the diagram. Work out the distance from P to R. Okay, so we are supposed to find the distance from P to R. That should be easy. P to R. I draw a triangle here. If you want to find this distance, you have a side 12, you have another side 28. If you can find this angle, you can use cosine rule to find this side PR. Let's find the angle Q. How can I find angle Q? Please check that. Please understand that if this angle here is 80 degree, PNQ, if the angle PNQ is 80 degree, this one here should be equal to 100 because the line PNRQ and are parallel and these two angles form interior angles. Can you recall that technique, sir?
Yes, they should
Yes,
always equal to 180.
Yes, they should add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 100 degree, we have a 155. Now we can find the value of angle Q. Angle Q must be equal to 360 minus 100 minus 155. 360 minus 100 minus 155. Can you give me the answer now, sir?
105.
Angle Q should be equal to 105 degrees. So this is equal to 105 degree. So we have 105 degree there. Now we'll find PR using cosine rule. I hope you remember the cosine rule. PR will be equal to square of the other two sides. 12 square plus 28 square minus 2 times the two sides, 12, 28. Cosine of the angle, cosine 105 degree. Are we good, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can do this calculation. Josa, are you following me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 12 square plus 28 square minus 2 into 12 into 28 into cosine 105. Yes. 12 square plus 20 square.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got 1101.926.
Did you square root the answer?
Oh, do you want the total answer?
I just want the final answer. Yep.
I got 33.19.
33.19 miles should be the correct answer. Okay. All right. Let me also open the Mars scheme so that if I can check if there is any mistake. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Okay.
All right, sir. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Josa, can you see my screen?
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, what screen are you talking about? Like, are you showing the
The
white
one,
screen?
the OneNote screen. Question number 5.
Yeah, I
Right.
can see your OneNote. Yeah.
The equation of the curve is y equals to x square plus 14x plus 52. So we have a curve here. We have a curve here and the equation is given. By completing the square or any other method, work out the coordinates of the turning point. Yeah. So if you want to find the turning point, you need to complete the square. So we have here y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 52. So if we complete the square, we are supposed to get x plus 14 over 2 whole squared plus 52 minus 14 over 2 whole squared. Josa, if you have any problem, you please let me know. X plus 7 square, 14 by 2 should be equal to 7. 7 square is 49. 52 minus 49, the answer should be 3. Tasmia, isn't it?
Sir, what?
Am I right with completing the square?
Yeah.
So x plus 7 whole square plus 3. So x plus 7 whole square plus 3. We have a x square graph plus 7 money. The graph will be shifted to minus 7 and plus 3 means the graph will be shifted 3 units upward. So the turning point must be equal to minus 7 comma 3. Any problem with this concept, students?
No.
Okay. Joseph, why aren't you responding? Huh? Next, question number 6. Caroline has 20 biscuits in a tin. Jose, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Caroline has 20 biscuits in a tin. She has 12 plain biscuits, 5 chocolate biscuits, and 3 ginger biscuits. Caroline takes at random 2 biscuits from the tin. Work out the probability that the 2 biscuits were not the same type. So if they are not same types, then I can have many combinations. I can have plain and then chocolate. This can be one possibility. I can have a chocolate and then a ginger biscuit. Okay. And then we can have a plain and a ginger biscuit. Am I saying it right? The 2 biscuits are not the same type. Therefore, we can have these possible combinations. You can have a plain and a chocolate and a ginger, and a plain and a ginger biscuit. We can also have in this the other way around. We have a chocolate chips first, chocolate biscuit, and then a plain biscuit, a ginger biscuit, and then a chocolate biscuit, a ginger, and a plain. We can also have it this way. And these are the 6 combinations possible. There are no other combinations apart from this. Are we good, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can do this. A plain biscuit, chocolate biscuit. We can find all of this and then add them up. This is one way of doing this problem. However, this problem has another option, another alternative method. The alternative method would be this. I am asking you to find the probability of 2 biscuits which are not, oh, my OneNote will crash now. Oof. Give me a minute, students. Josa and Tasmia, please follow me here with the technique that I'm showing you. If I give you 2 biscuits, not same. If I ask you to find 2 biscuits, not same time, this can be equal to 1 minus probability of 2 biscuits of same type. Do you agree with me? I am drawing 2 biscuits from a tin of biscuits. There are 2 possible probabilities. One is the 2 biscuits will be same type. Another one is the 2 biscuits will be different type. And if you add the 2 probabilities, it should be equal to 1. Am I saying it right? Hello. Hello. Are you not?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Can you not listen to me? Hello.
Yes, sir, I can.
So did you understand the idea that I gave you? You have a tin of biscuit and you choose 2 biscuits.
Yes, sir.
There are 2 possible probabilities. One is the 2 biscuits will be same type. The other is the 2 biscuits will be different type. That's it. Josa, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is going to be very easy if I follow this alternative method. What is the probability of 2 biscuits the same type? So plain biscuit and plain biscuit. Acha. So what is the probability of the first? So first I'm going to find here 2 plain biscuits. Probability of 2 plain biscuits. The first one, the probability of first one being plain is 12 into 20. The probability of second one should be 11 into 19 because I have already chosen 1 biscuit. Probability of 2 chocolate biscuits. The probability of first one being chocolate should be 5 over 20 and second one should be 4 over 19. Students, if you have any confusion, you have to stop me. You have to ask question, right? If you don't ask anything,
Yes, sir.
I will consider that you are understanding everything. So what is the probability of 2 ginger biscuits? The probability of the first one being a ginger should be 3 by 20. The second one should be 2 by 19. So what do we have here? 12 into 11, that should be equal to 132. And 20 into 19, that should be equal to 380. 5 into 4, that should be equal to 20. 20 into 19, that should be equal to 380. 3 2s are 6, divide by 380. Now, probability of 2 biscuits same type. 132 by 380 plus 20 over 380 plus 6 over 380. The probability of 2 plain biscuits, 2 chocolate biscuits, and 2 ginger biscuits. If I add them up, this will give me the probability of 2 biscuits of same type. Can you do this calculation and give me the answer now? Yes, I'm waiting for the answer, students. Is anyone doing the calculation?
Sir, it's 111 by 190.
111. Is this the final answer?
Yes.
So 1 minus something is equal to 111 by 190. Okay. Now let me check the answer real quick.
So that should be 79 by 190.
Okay. So the answer is 79 by 190. Okay.
No. I meant like the
I
one
understand.
like
I
the
got you.
last line.
I completely understand you, Tasmi. No worries. So this should be 79 by 190. Yeah. The final answer is 111 by 190. Joseph, why don't you respond? Hmm? Are you there?